page 47 yearbooks, which is named Polynomials. We'll do a quick revision about how to factorize and divide by x minus a, Euclidean division, and how to factorize a third degree polynomial. We said that we can divide using a synthetic division rule. For example, 5x cubed minus 6x squared minus 28x minus 2 is divided by x plus 2. You need to find the root of x plus 2, which is negative 2. So we write negative 2 in this way, and we write the coefficients 5, negative 6, minus 28, and negative 2 that way, and then start dividing by synthetic division. We make down 5, and then we multiply, and then we multiply and add, and we get the remainder, which is in this example negative 10. Don't forget, we said that the remainder is 0, so we can factorize. The remainder here is 0. When you divide this polynomial by x minus 1, we get that the quotient is x squared minus 3x plus 6, and the remainder is 0. Remember that when the remainder is 0, we can factorize. Same way, we can factorize, but by using a long way division or Euclidean division, which is called. The first step of Euclidean division, when you want to divide, for example, x squared plus 3x minus 1 over x plus 2. We divide first x squared by x. The highest power here is x squared, and the highest power is x. So we divide, and we get x. Write x here or here. We multiply x by x plus 2, and we add, and we get down 2 or minus 1, and then continue doing the division x by x, which is 1 times x plus 2, and we add, and we get the remainder here negative 3. And the same way, we said that if the remainder is 0, we can factorize. For example, if we divide this polynomial by x minus 1, we get that the remainder is 0, and we can factorize. That's everything in chapter 4, which is polynomials. 5 equations of circles. We said that each circle has an equation, and the standard form of the equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. R is the radius, and the center is hk. As in this example, given the center 3, negative 2, and the radius 4, you need to write the standard form of the equation. So it will be, just follow the rule. H is 3 and k is negative 2, and the radius is 4, so it will be x minus 3 squared plus y minus negative 2 squared equal 4 squared, and it will be x minus 3 squared plus 1 plus 2 squared equals 16. And if it's given the standard form, and you need to find, or you'll be asked to find the center and the radius, just flip the signs of negative 3 and 2, so it will be 3 negative 2, the center, and make radical or square root of 16, you get 4. This is called the standard form. Another form is called the general form. To change from general form to standard form, you need to do some steps. First, make x together and y together. Move c to the other side, which is the number that's alone. Complete the square as needed for x. Complete the square as needed for y, and then factor. In this example, it's given the general form, and you need to find the standard form of the equation. So first step, collect x together and y together, and move c, which is 7, to the other side, will be negative 7. Then the coefficient of x is negative 8, divided by 2 and square it. So it will be 4 squared, so it will be 16. This is the completing the square. So if you add 16 here, you need to add 16 on the other side, since it's an equation, so it should be equivalent. And then x squared minus 8x plus 16, it will be x minus 4 squared plus y squared equal 9. So the center of this circle is 4, 0, and the radius is 3. That's everything for the equations of circles.